Hello everyone. In this video, let us see how to display the output related to the reinforcement after performing the design. So first we'll perform the analysis and then we'll go to the design, and here we'll select the type of design. So now we are interested in RC design, and here we can select the code for which we want to do the design. So right now we'll be focusing on IS456, and here we can do the design for entire members at a single time, or we can also select certain elements and we can do the design. For example, let us see the story display story numbers here. So here we have different stories. So if you are interested in designing of, let's say, base 5F level, so I can just select that and activate here. So I can just select the beam elements that are present at 5F level, and we can do the concrete code design and the beam design. So once the beam design has been done, we can see if there are any members that are failing here. We can extend this and we can see all the members. So OK as well as NG. So if any of the member is failing, we can see as NG here. So now we can just close this. And now to see the reinforcement outputs, we can go to the concrete design results and the concrete design. So in the concrete design, for all load combinations, we can just check on the values, and here you can select the reinforcement details. So in reinforcement, we can check the rebar area as well as the percentage of the steel. So for example, if you want to see the rebar, ratio of axial stresses, main rebar as well as the shear reinforcement. So for example, if you want to see just main rebar, we can just off this option, and decimal points we can make it 0, and units we can just make it as mm and apply. So here we can see the reinforcement in the beams at three parts: I end, middle and J end, top as well as the bottom reinforcement. So this is in terms of the rebar. And if you want to see the area, you can just select the area here and you can just click on apply. So here you'll be getting the area of steel in mm square, 951 square at the I end top, and I end bottom it is 756 square. And similarly, if you want to see the percentage of the steel used, we can select the ratio option and we can just click on apply. So it will show the percentage of the steel. So here we can increase the decimal points to see the percentage. So 0.47 and 0.35% at the top and 0.35 at the bottom.